Go ahead, yeah. All right, Dirt Dauber friends, I have a little bit of a dilemma, and here it is. I bought a brand new HEI distributor that I can't decide. I'm very close, as you can see, very close with my 40 to where I'm almost ready to get this thing started. And this HEI distributor, I believe, will work with either one. But the 40 still needs a good bit. I say a good bit. It needs a couple, probably a whole day of wiring to get it ready. And this 55, I think, is right around the corner from starting. Just doesn't have any spark. So my dilemma is, do I throw the brand new distributor in here and see if it fires up, or do I spend that time working on the 40? I think what I'm going to do, since really I think all this thing needs here is for the distributor to be thrown in, and it might fire right up. I think I'm going to do that. Throw it in here and let's see what happens. All right, I can't find my camera holder, but I'm just going to set my phone down in here to probably see if I can get some good shots. But I got to pull this old distributor off first. That's the first thing I've got to do. So let's see if I can find a place to set this. Maybe here. All right, I move that battery cable out of the way. Put a mark right here. This is where the rotor is pointing, so assuming this rotor is in here correctly, that will help me make sure I get the new one in there. There we go. Here is the new distributor that I bought. Definitely has a longer shaft. So we'll see how that affects hooking this thing up. I've got to give it power from the battery. Let's just set it in there and see how this thing fits. Just so I remember which way this goes. Red is on the right, yellow is on the left. way. Gonna have to undo this. It's always more than you think it is. Gonna have to undo this heater hose here, pull it out of the way so I can get this down in here. One of the things that's odd is that this is not, the blade is not lining up the same. If you'll notice, the rotor on here goes straight forward and this goes straight forward, but this is not. As this points, you know, maybe if I put this at 12 o'clock, you look down here, this is the other direction. It's, you know, 3 and 9, so I'll have to figure that out. All right, I got the new distributor in there. Got me a wire. Gonna run this straight to the battery. Got some starting fluid, my boy Tommy, and I gotta grab the key. We're gonna see if this thing fires up. Wait till I tell you. Spray a little starting fluid down in here. All right, try it. I think it wants to start. All right, let me double check, make sure it blew off a vacuum hose, which probably means I probably have it wired up wrong. We'll see. Let's try it again.
Try it again?
Yeah.
Ready?
That was a good sign, though. Yeah. All right, stop. Yeah, I think the wire, I got to figure out. Let me try turning the distributor. Let's try it again.
Right now?
Go. Stop. Maybe back the other way. Right, go ahead. Were you keeping the starter going, or was it running by itself?
I just took it. It was run by itself.
Okay. All right. Let's try it again.
Do you want me to just like hold it?
No. Once it kind of gets going, like a regular car,
Yeah.
just let go of the. I mean, don't turn it all the way back.
Yeah.
Just turn it. Yeah. Go ahead.
As soon as I take it off or whatever.
It dies.
Yeah.
All right. I may have to turn the. I don't know that I've got these. Well, that one right there, it's not even on. I don't know that I have these hooked up correctly.
So we're.
All right, here we go.